Hello, I will show you how to change the pollen/cabin filter on a Golf MK4 in this video. The filter is located on the right side, here. First, we take out the screws. Now we take the cover out. This is the filter. To take him out, we need to push these two clips from the cabin to the engine. The link from where I purchased the filter is in the description. Look at the difference between the filters. There is no surprise the air was struggling to get in. Now we put the new filter. The last layers of the filter must enter the support. Now we squeeze everything together. The three clips must go into their supports when we put them back. Now we just push it until it clicks into place. We put everything together. And this is how you change a pollen filter on a Golf 4.